Court is calling 2025 CR 0000615, State versus Joseph Matthew Juarez for the defense.
Victoria Cruz on behalf of Raymond Martinez.
And are you Joseph Matthew Juarez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any objection to this attorney standing in for Mr. Martinez?
No, Your Honor.
All right, could you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Or Shuru Hogaya Asli Kale, Eximple Oath, Joe Sach Ko Kanun, Karecord P Chipkadita High, Ubjut Surf Risk Nahi, Eknaya Germban Jaega.
God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Joseph Matthew Juarez,
All right, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Juarez, how old are you?
23.
Are you currently employed?
Yes.
What are you currently employed as?
Nolato as an MQT step, not just an MQT.
Okay, and how many hours do you work a week?
I believe it's a solid 40 now.
Okay, and how much do you make an hour?
I think it went up to either 18.25 or 17 or
Okay, and do you have any money in the bank at this time?
$20 in the bank at this age.
Okay, do you have any other sources of income?
No.
Do you rent or own any property?
No.
Who do you currently live with?
Mom.
Do you pay any bills?
Yes.
What bills do you pay?
Water and phones.
How much of that?
125 for the phones, and depending on water, it can vary from 125 if I have some monthly payment to 85.
Okay, do you have any jewelry or assets that you could sell?
No, Your Honor.
No, okay, do you have any family members that could provide any additional monies other than what they provided to retain your counsel?
No.
Do you have any banks that could loan you any money that you know of?
Not to my knowledge.
Okay, Your Honor, that's about all I have.
All right, so counsel, with regards to the request for the experts, the court is going to find that the defendant is unable to retain any type of experts in this case. We can go off the record, Cindy, but what I need is there's no expected price or.
Oh, you need the amounts?
Yes.
Okay.
Just an approximate. So if you bring me that with the approximate, then I'll review it, and he doesn't need to be present for that.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
They would be excused and we keep our dates.
Yes, keep your dates, but please come back. We'll be here tomorrow. So if you want to come back tomorrow with an approximate of price, then I will sign it.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank
May we
you.
be
Thank you.
excused?
Yes, have a good day.
You're good to go.
Roberto Ambrosino, who are you here for?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Cassandra Oberlender. I believe she's in the Zoom waiting room for a restitution hearing. She lives in Colorado.
All right, state on Cassandra Oberlender. It's for a restitution hearing. Are you all prepared to proceed?
Yes, sir.
All right, Cassandra Oberlender. And do you all, first of all, do you all have a restitution amount?
We have a witness here, Judge.
Oh, okay. Court is calling 2024 CR 012530, State versus Cassandra Oberlender. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
For the defense?
Roberto Ambrosino.
And are you Cassandra Oberlender?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, any objections to Miss Oberlender appearing by Zoom?
None for the state, Your Honor.
And defense, I'm assuming you have no objection to your client appearing by Zoom?
No, Your Honor.
And Miss Oberlander, you do realize that if you wish to appear in person for this hearing, you can appear in person. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you consent to having this hearing by Zoom?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. State, do you have any witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor. State Code Aida Ramos.
Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yep.
All right, you can lower your hand. Make sure you keep your voice up for the court reporter to hear and for the persons on Zoom to hear. If you'll state your name for the record.
Aida Ramos.
All right, state, you may proceed.
Ms. Ramos, what is your occupation? I'm a realtor, property manager. Your property manager for which property? Simple Realty Services. Is Simple Realty Services renting to or were they renting to a tenant by Miss by the name of Miss Oberlander?
No, that was her boyfriend.
What is her boyfriend's name? Riley?
Okay, so guys, I'm so sorry. You are gonna have to speak up because I'm having trouble hearing. And the court reporter, I'm looking at her real time and she's having problems hearing. All right, so if you'll repeat your last question, please.
Yes, what was Miss Oberlander's boyfriend's name?
Riley.
Daco. Sabs bada ilsum courtroom me dropwa burglary. Lekin asli twist. Kia ye todd car gusna the. Ye ek chabi kamasius? Ye detail pura case you'll at sakti high.
And was Riley a tenant with the property?
Yes, ma'am.
What property did he reside at?
1238 Cold Lake Drive.
Was there an incident involving Mr. Riley and the property, or I'm sorry, Miss Oberlander and the property?
Yes, ma'am.
What incident was that?
She burglarized.
Was there
She broke
damage?
in.
She broke in to which property again?
1238 Cold Lake Drive.
What damage was caused, if any?
Well, she broke in and she broke the door of the garage and went in, and I have the video where, because we had cameras inside, and she went in there and she also stole money. That I also have where her boyfriend Riley texted me, and she said that he could-
Objection hearsay.
Sustained.
So you said she broke in through the garage, is that correct?
Yeah, the garage.
Did you have the garage fixed or replaced?
Yes, ma'am. I do have for the invoice here. I'm sorry.
Did you get an estimate done for that repair?
Yes, we did.
Through which company?
Alpine Property Group.
And how did that happen?
Well, after we made the report, you know, I did speak to the owner and he requested for us to.
Objection hearsay.
All right, so just talk about what, may I ask a question? Any objection?
No.
Any
No, Judge.
objection?
No.
All right, so what damages are you alleging was caused by Miss Oberlander?
The broken of the door of the garage.
Okay,
and
the garage door, what else?
Camera.
And the camera.
Mhm.
What's the price to repair the garage door?
Like here, it was $850 for the door and the installation, and the security system was $650.
All right, so how much for the garage door?
$850.
$850. Does that include the price of the door
And the
and the
installation.
installation?
Correct.
And how much for the camera?
It was $650.
$650. State, any other questions? Defense, any questions?
Yes. Isn't it true that Riley, the actual tenant to the property, had a key to access the room where the camera was?
No, not that, only to his room. There was an attachment there where he actually lived. The door where she broke in, it was on the other side.
So in what manner are you saying that he broke the door or that she broke the door?
She broke in. Well, I don't know what she did because the camera was inside the garage, because we had cameras inside the garage.
Isn't it true that she was given, or I'm sorry, that Riley was given a key by someone named Sergio that actually allowed him to have access, even though I guess there's some dispute over whether he was supposed to be entering into that property?
No, he only had the key for his area where he lived.
When did you repair the property after that?
The date here of the invoice is for June the 1st.
June the 1st of 2025?
2024.
Okay. This incident actually happened several months before that, isn't that correct?
So the incident happened. It happened, well, we repaired it after the break-in.
Right, but I mean, you allegedly let the house go unrepaired then for several months.
Well, this is where I have the invoice. I got it from the owner
Okay, why isn't the owner here today to testify?
because I'm the property manager.
Okay, so you didn't actually pay to have any of this fixed?
I didn't pay for it. It was the owner, the company, which is Simple Realty Services.
Okay, and so you don't know anything that wasn't secondhand information that was told to you by somebody else?
No, sir.
Okay, pass witness.
All right, any other questions?
I think that's it, Your Honor.
Defense, any other questions?
No.
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. State, any other witnesses?
No.
All right, oh, I'm sorry, you may have a seat. Defense argument?
Judge, my client contends that there was a key to enter the property. Basically, this was a room that he was renting and he had access to the whole property. And that she, yes, did go into that particular room without consent. And she did damage the camera. So we do not contest that amount, but we do contest the amount that's being alleged with regard to entering the room that the camera was in. She basically states that she would have had access to it.
All right, state. So the defense is stating that they have no objections to the amount of the camera, which is $650. So the court is ordering the $650 restitution because the defense does not dispute that. Would you like to speak to the door for $850?
Your Honor, this offense is for the burglary of a building, which was through the garage. Because there was the camera on the interior, we did not see the exterior entry. However, despite them arguing this key was given by somebody else, this damage was caused. We would urge the court to order this restitution because the damage was done to the garage.
All right. So this is what the court is going to do. What is the owner's name of the property?
Ida Ramos?
All right, the court is, in this case, the court is ordering that restitution be paid in the amount of $1,500 for the price of the garage door and the price of the camera. All right, is there anything else?
Judge, can I get the name of the, where that's being paid to?
State, if you'll give her the name of the property owner, please. All right, thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Eduardo Rodriguez. All right. So on this case,
So I conferred with Mr. Garahan this morning. There was a previous offer by a previous prosecutor that has been modified. I believe the client is very interested in accepting it. So what I'd like to do is, can we do a real short comeback to do an actual plea
tomorrow.
tomorrow? How busy is the court tomorrow?
Oh, we're going to do closing arguments in the morning. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. Vashawn is like, no. All right, we can do it today.
The problem with that is it's going to be very difficult for me to do it today schedule wise because I have a massive day lined up. I came here first. But we have an agreement, Judge.
Are you available in the afternoon?
Good news. I don't know. I would have to check on that.
Let's see if you're available to do it in the afternoon and see if the state can start the paperwork.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
What do you want him to do? Sorry.
He can come back this afternoon at 1:30.
That's it. It's not gonna work.
I'm sorry, not at 1:30, at 1. All right, DeMonte Williams. Right, so I know he has some unindicted cases.
That's the issue, Judge, and I confer with Mr. Garahan. We've reached out to the intake prosecutor that's been assigned, just trying to figure out what's gonna happen. Is it gonna get indicted? Is it not?
Do they know when they will have?
But we just did that this morning, Judge.
All right, Norma, if I can have a 30-day reset on this. All right, September 22nd. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Just have a seat and your attorney will bring the form to you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, Enrique Soriano. Hello. How's it going?
I think it's going pretty well. Just administratively, the reason I got into approach was, I guess for one, was a reset. But the first thing is that Mr. Soriano is now indicted as a first-degree felon.
Yes.
Additionally, there's an additional case that's a first-degree. I'm not on the first-degree list. Ron Ross was either appointed by the court or by MAC to handle the additional first-degree. The case that I was originally appointed to began as a third degree. It's now been indicted as a first
First
degree.
degree, okay.
I'm not on that list. I wanted to bring that to the court's attention
Okay.
to see how she wanted to proceed.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. I guess since Ron Ross, he should be here today, right?
Which case is he on?
Soriano on page 10
You could have him listed.
on all cases. So Adam, where have you been? Where have you been? Enjoying life?
I do have a flight today to the Valley.
Oh, where are you heading?
Out of state.
Okay, well, enjoy. I hope it's for something that's fun and not work.
I'll send you a text
Okay,
so that it's not aired everywhere.
okay. Hmm?
Bob listed on the PF case. And
Oh.
then the two indicted case have Adams.
All right, so Norma, if you can put Ross on all of the cases, please. All right, so we'll put him on all of the cases, and what we'll do is we'll reset your case for 30 days. That'll give him a chance to look at these charges as well, okay?
Okay, Judge.
All right, do you have any questions about anything?
I am aware that I have court on the 27th still. Am I still going to appear to that one or?
That
Is
should
there-
be the PF case.
All right, that PF case is not, Norma, is that PF case going to be set here?
Yes, ma'am. He said in,
Yeah, so that's with Judge Nahara, because that's where they send the PF cases. But I'll set you here in 30 days and maybe they'll just move it here. What date, Ms. Ferguson? All right, so we'll be back on September 22nd in this court. And then your attorney, Ross, he'll get notice that he's been placed on these cases as well. All right, you're welcome. Counsel, is there anything else?
I'll submit my voucher. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, have a good day. Hey, excuse. Yes, thank you. All right, Anthony Jacob Herrera. Good morning. Hey, they're going paperless. We're gonna see what happens when the system crashes, because
prefer paper.
thank you. Thank you. So that's why we have to do it this way now, because I don't have any files. All right. So on this case, has the state tendered an offer?
Yes and no. So last time we were here, I was talking to Ms. Galloway about it. I texted her this weekend. I didn't know she was on vacation.
Yes.
So she was telling me that we're still waiting. I don't know if the court remembers that we were waiting on information from the feds.
Yes.
So that we're still waiting.
Okay.
I know that she sent the TUI letter, I believe. So
Mhm.
that's actually what we're waiting on.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. All right, this is gonna be the last reset to see what
fine.
they're gonna do. Norma, give them a 45-day reset, please.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your Honor.
You're welcome. Let me get a date. Yeah.
So we just signed for.
Mhm.
I can do October 6th.
All right, October 6th, council.
Check the original trials. There might be, if anything, I'll let Norma know 2 weeks before.
I always wonder, do the piercings in the face, does that hurt?
It's exactly as it is.
Oh, it is, okay. That's why I only stopped at 2. When they got to the third one, I was like, yeah, that's getting extremely painful. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring the reset form to you. Once you sign that, your excuse.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. John Henry Moore. Hello, Mr. Moore.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm like,
Counsel, where are we on discovery?
I have just about I have everything. My problem is I need to take a hard drive up there to get the stuff that won't fit. I'll do that by tomorrow.
All right. And
Everything else is ordered and I received it.
okay, and there are no other issues with competency or anything?
No, ma'am.
All right. Was the state able to tender an offer?
They were, Your Honor, and for the time being, my client has rejected it. They will keep it open for 30 days. And I'm going to continue to work with him, talk with him, and or the court's next step.
All right,
So-
thank you. All right, is there any other thing, state?
No, I think everything's been disclosed. I think he
Yeah.
just wants time to discuss the office. Fine.
All right, thank you. Ms. Ferguson, if I could have a 30-day reset for a plea deadline date? 30-day reset for a plea. All right, it will be September 23rd. We'll bring you back on September 23rd. If your attorney wants you brought back sooner, he'll let us know and we'll place you on the docket sooner. All right, this is just to give your attorney time to
Or BAS Faisla Agaya, $1, 500 restitution. Judge any sab debate KO cut karka clear message dia. End of the day, Paisa Balega.